Welcome to Automate M365. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a simple yet powerful workflow in Power Automate, automatically sending an email as soon as someone adds a new item to a SharePoint list. To use this, you'll need a Microsoft 365 Business subscription, for example, Business Standard or higher, including access to SharePoint and Power Automate. In this video, I'm using the latest version of Power Automate, from 2025. But first, what is a SharePoint list? A SharePoint list is a modern, smart version of an Excel table, but online and collaborative. You can use it to store structured information, like requests, reports, checklists, or registrations. Each item in the list contains columns, such as a text field for description, a drop-down menu for priority, or a yes/no toggle. In my example, you'll see a list with the columns description, department, and priority. But this is fully customizable. SharePoint lists can be sorted, filtered, grouped, and connected to other Microsoft apps like Teams, Outlook, or Forms. Creating a new SharePoint list is simple. Go to your SharePoint site, click on New, and choose List. Then click List again to start with a blank one. Give your list a name, for example, Requests, and start adding your own columns. Now, let's switch to Power Automate. Click on Create and choose Automated Cloud Flow. Give your flow a clear name, like Email on New SharePoint Item. We select the trigger, when an item is created, meaning the flow will start automatically when someone adds a new item to the SharePoint list. Fill in the address of your SharePoint site, and then of your created list. Next, we add an action, send an email, v2. Here, you can insert dynamic data from the SharePoint item into the email, such as the description, department, or priority. That way, nobody has to send emails manually, the flow does it for you. Important, if you use a choice column in SharePoint, like priority, you need to use .value in Power Automate to extract the actual text. For regular text fields, that's not necessary. Good to know. Power Automate reads the list items exactly as they appear in SharePoint, including any sorting, filtering, or grouping. So you don't need to repeat that logic in the flow. Now it's time to test. Add a new item to the list, and you should receive an email with all the details automatically. Want to send an email only under certain conditions, like when priority is set to high? Then you can use the condition action. This lets you control whether the flow continues, based on specific values in your list. I'll explain that in detail in a future video. Finally, with SharePoint lists and Power Automate, you can automate a huge variety of business processes, from HR to IT, warehouse to customer support. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect a Microsoft Forms form to SharePoint, so you can collect and process data even more efficiently. Was this video helpful? Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kinds of processes you'd like to automate. See you in the next video.